So Salesforce just did something pretty big with Slack. Mark Benioff got on stage in San Francisco on Monday and announced 30 new AI features for Slackbot. And this isn't like a minor update. This is the biggest overhaul Slack has gotten since Salesforce bought it for $27.7 billion back in 2021. Here's what's actually happening. Slackbot is becoming a full-on AI agent, not just a chatbot that answers questions, an agent that can listen to your meetings, summarize decisions, create action items, and then go update your CRM automatically. Like it hears you close a deal on a Zoom call, and it logs it in Salesforce without you doing anything. And the meeting part is worth understanding, right? Because Slackbot doesn't just work with Slack huddles. It taps into your desktop audio. So it can listen to Zoom calls, Google Meet, whatever you're using. It captures the discussion, pulls out the key decisions, and connects everything back to Salesforce. But here's the feature that I think matters most for marketing teams. They're calling them AI skills. Basically, you can define a task once, the inputs, the steps, the output format, and then reuse it whenever you need it. Slackbot comes with a built-in library of these, but you can also build your own. So think about what that looks like in practice. Your team could build a skill that drafts a campaign brief from a Slack thread, or one that pulls last week's performance data and formats it into a summary. You define it once, and anyone on the team can run it with a simple prompt. Now, there's a technical detail here that actually matters a lot. Slackbot is now what's called an MCP client. That stands for Model Context Protocol. What it means in plain English is that Slackbot can talk to other AI agents and tools outside of Slack, including Agentforce, which is Salesforce's own AI agent platform. So you're not just getting a smarter chatbot, you're getting a hub that connects to your whole stack. And one more thing, Slackbot is built on Anthropic's Claude model. And starting this summer, every new Salesforce customer gets Slack automatically set up with AI turned on from day one. So this isn't opt-in, it's the default. For marketing teams already living in Slack, this changes the workflow pretty dramatically. Campaign coordination, reporting, even creative briefing. A lot of that can now happen through natural language prompts right where you're already working. Okay, so switching gears, Microsoft Advertising is making a real play for e-commerce this week. And the timing here is interesting because it comes right as Google is pushing shopping ads deeper into AI mode. So here's what happened. Microsoft is testing a new double row sponsored product carousel on Bing. Right now, when you search for a product on Bing, you see a single row of shopping results. This new format doubles that. 2 rows of sponsored products sitting right at the top with organic product cards from individual websites listed underneath. A search marketing expert named Sajin Patel spotted the test this week. And the format is pretty clearly designed to do one thing: get more products in front of shoppers before they scroll past. Now, why does this matter? Think about specific products that used to get buried. In a single row carousel, maybe 6 or 8 products show up. Double that to 12 or 16, and suddenly a lot more brands are getting visibility on searches they were previously invisible for. But here's the part that really sets Microsoft apart from Google: LinkedIn data. Microsoft is now letting brands layer LinkedIn professional data into their search and shopping campaigns. No other major ad platform can do this. You could target shopping ads to people based on their job title, their industry, their company size, all inside Bing search results. So what does that actually mean? If you're selling B2B software or premium products where the buyer's professional profile matters, this is a completely different targeting capability than anything Google offers. You're not just reaching people who searched for your product, you're reaching the right people who searched for your product. And there's a broader context here, right? Microsoft has been quietly building out their e-commerce ad infrastructure for months. Copilot, their AI assistant, is already generating 73% higher click-through rates compared to traditional Bing search ads. And conversational ad placements in Copilot are 25% more effective than regular search ads. So the pattern is clear. Microsoft is betting that the combination of AI-powered search through Copilot, richer shopping formats on Bing, and LinkedIn's professional data creates something Google simply can't match. Whether that bet pays off depends on whether advertisers actually shift budget over. But for brands already running Microsoft ads, these new formats are worth testing now before the competition catches on.